Hey everybody, Tim Stoddard here with StodzyMedia.com. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to put a Google Analytics tracking code into your website. In order to measure the results of your website, you need to set up tracking, and it can be kind of complicated for somebody that doesn't know what they're doing. So we're going to do it on two different platforms. The first one's going to be Wordpress, which is a blog platform, and the second one's going to be Shopify, which is an e-commerce platform if you're selling products. So let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is log into Google Analytics. If you don't have an account, just go to analytics.google.com. You're going to click this button right up here for admin. It's going to start you at the home screen, but I'm already at admin. So to create a new account, simply fill this out. And then once you're done filling out this simple information, you come down here and you get your tracking ID. This is the code that we're going to put into the head section of our website. So you click this button, got to accept the terms, and here you go. All this jibber jabber up here, this is the Google script. This is the code that you're going to put in. So if you click it, it's going to highlight the whole thing. You hit Control-C, or of course you can right click and hit copy. So now that we have our code, we're done here. We're going to start off on WordPress. So this is the back end of the Stodzy Media website. This is WordPress. So what we're going to do in this navigation bar, we're going to come to Appearance and we're going to click Editor. Now be careful in here. If you don't know what you're doing, make sure you don't do anything other than what I'm telling you, because you can mess up your website. So what we're looking for over here is this file. The link, the words in the link might change, but you're always looking for header.php. Click on this, and this is going to be your header file. So what we're looking for is this closing tag right here. It's going to be a slash, and it's going to say head behind it. You want to put the code right above the closing tag of your header. Once you put the code in there, come down here, click Update File. I'm not going to update it simply because we already have our tracking code in there, but that's how you do it. So up next, we're going to use Shopify. This is the Shopify platform for e-commerce. It's a lot different than WordPress. It's still the same framework and functionality, but the code in the back end is completely different. So what we're going to do for Shopify, go to Online Store. You're going to click this link right here called Preferences, and it's already going to be built in for you. Like I said, we already have our analytics code in there, but let's just assume that we don't. You just simply paste the code right in here. So once you paste this in here, you just come up to the top right and you click this blue button, Save. Again, I'm going to cancel it because we already have our code in here, but that's essentially how you do it. So this code that we just put in can also help you verify your Webmaster Tools. I'll make another video about that tomorrow with what Webmaster Tools is and the insights it's going to give you for your website. If you have any more questions, please email me, tim@stodzy.com. As always, I really appreciate your time. I'll talk to you next time. Peace.